63 split window, body off restored, NCRS Top Flight, 300 horse automatic with power steering, power brakes. Shifts smooth, everything on it works like it should, all the gauges, clock. Drives good, drives straight, stops straight. I mean, hey, we drove this back from the NCRS meet the other weekend. I guess it was October 10th. We put about 180 miles on it then, and it's just a good car. This is a car I wouldn't be scared to get in and drive anywhere. If you have any questions, give me a call. 814-285-1779. Thank you.